Wow, fantastic day, fantastic morning. Another opportunity to be here with you. I cherish this opportunity. My name is Judy Kalu. If you don't know me, I'm a real estate investor, I'm a real estate developer, I'm a rental income coach. I'm the world's #1 rental income investor. I run rental income investment. I also show people the opportunity that they can take up investing for rental income. Probably maybe you don't know what rental income is all about. Go search for the word rental income. Or probably you also search, you go to our website www.middlechase.com. Ordinary people are earning rental income without owning a property of their own. Without owning a property of your own, you can invest in for rental income and earn rental income. Today, we're going to be talking about how to stopping limiting beliefs around you, stopping limited beliefs that tend to stop you from achieving your goal in life. The things that tend to stop you from achieving progress, from making progress with your life. There are basically a lot of things that are stopping people and hindering people from achieving success. And one of the major things is that people allow negativity around them. People allow themselves to be subject of negativism. People allow themselves to be subject of lonely thoughts that are not going to take them high in their lives. A lot of people are frustrated on a daily basis because they allow themselves to be immersed in the pool of negativism. So they are baptized by negativism and they allow themselves to produce negative results. Now, you cannot prosper in life if you allow negative thoughts in your life. If you allow negative thoughts in your space, you're not going to prosper, you're not going to make progress, you're not going to move forward in your life, you're not going to be able to take advantage of opportunity in life. There are certain things that negativism does to us. It does not allow us to think, does not allow us to be productive, does not allow us to take opportunity, it does not allow us to live a life of purpose, it does not allow us to make significant progress in our lives. Negativism is hindering a lot of people from making the kind of choices that they need to make in their lives. One of the things I'm going to show you shortly, how you can manage your life effectively, not allowing yourself to be subject of negativism. I'll be right back after this short break. Alright, we are back. This is Judy Kalu, and what you're watching right now is an episode of Judy Talk. On Judy Talk, every Friday we are live by 4 p.m. just discussing how you can make your life better. We're not talking about your personal life, your personal economy, personal motivation, personal opportunity, how to make your life work. We're talking about your life, man. We're talking about your life, man. On this episode, we are talking about how you can conquer limiting beliefs. How to conquer limiting beliefs. A lot of us, we live in a world of where we are all surrounded by craziness. We are surrounded by a lot of negativity. We are surrounded by a lot of things that will not make people prosper. We are surrounded with negative thoughts. A lot of people on a daily basis, what fills their cup is negativism. What fills their life is negativism. What they eat, what they drink, what they bathe, what they put on is negativism. A lot of people are surrounded by negativism, and you wonder why people are making progress in their life. Why? Because you cannot prosper in this life with negative thoughts. You cannot prosper. You can hit it big one time, maybe for sake of by luck. But sustainable success is built on what? Is built on what? on being positive at all times. How do you stay positive at all times? When there are a lot of negativism around town, you are seeing politicians and you are getting angry. You are being fueled in your spirit with anger. You are not feeling. You are seeing disaster happening around the world, and you're like wondering what is going on to the world. The world is filled with negative thoughts. The world is filled with negative people. The world is filled with a lot of people that are not moving anywhere but are ready to get you down. They are ready to put you on the platform that will not make you progress in life. But you know what you should do? What you should focus on yourself is that, you know what? Focus on yourself. That is what you should be doing. Is that you should focus on yourself. Focus on the things that you want to achieve in your life. And that is how to get started. How do you stay positive when the world is negative? How do you stay positive when the world is going backward? When the world is retrogressing? How do you start making progress? That is what this is all about. Number one thing that you need to do is that you need to focus on what is most important to you. What is most important to you in your life? What is the focus? A lot of people get distracted. Listen to me. You cannot stop the world from being negative. You cannot stop negative opinion about yourself. You cannot stop people hating on you. You cannot stop people rejecting you. You cannot stop people not liking your opinion. You cannot stop people's opinion about yourself. But you know what? What you need to focus on is to focus on the purpose that you have. Is to focus on the things you want to achieve. Is to focus on the results you want to get. A lot of people are getting distracted by the opinion of many others around them, and that is why they are not living their dreams. That is why they are not pursuing the things that they need to pursue. That is why they are not making progress with their lives. That is why a lot of people are getting frustrated on a daily basis, because they are what? They are looking at the opinions of people. They are surrounding themselves with negative thoughts. They are surrounding themselves with negative people. People that do not even matter to their personal success and to the success of their own economy. But you know what? A lot of people are getting frustrated on a daily basis. Why? Because instead of pursuing their dreams, they are getting distracted on a daily basis. So the thing that you need to do is to get focused. Focus on yourself. Focus on yourself. Focus on the results you want to get. Focus on the things that you want to achieve. Focus on the opinions of your own personal success. A lot of people are not living lives of purpose because they are getting frustrated on a daily basis. They are hearing things in town and they are getting frustrated. They are hearing the noise of people and they are getting frustrated. There's so much noise in town. But you know what you have to figure for yourself. You have to figure out your own purpose. What is the purpose? What is the thing I want to achieve? The things I want to achieve, why not write them down this morning? Write out what you want to achieve. Write out what you want to achieve with your life. And you know what? Because a person of purpose is not easily distracted. A person who has a purpose is not easily distracted. And you know what you need to do? The second thing that you need to do is to stay on it. Is to stay on it. Fix your eyes on the things you want to achieve. Write down your objective on a daily basis every day. Surround yourself with positivity. Surround yourself with positivity on a daily basis. What are the things that you read every day? What are the information that you possess on a daily basis? What are the things that you allow into your mind, into your heart, into your thought, that you meditate about on a daily basis? Why? Because an informed mind is what makes a transformed mind. An informed mind is what makes a transformed mind. For you to be transformed, you have to keep yourself informed. Why? Because being current is the currency of life. But you know what? What kind of information that do you allow in your mind? The quality of information that you allow in your mind will determine the quality of result that you are going to achieve in your life. There's so much negativity in town, no doubt. But you know what? You are the one who is the architect of your own life. You are the one who will determine whether you make progress in your life or not. By doing what? By surrounding yourself with positive energy. You need positive energy in your life. You need to surround yourself with positive energy. You need to be motivated at all times. Let me tell you this. I don't even need a motivational speaker to motivate me. What I just need in my life is that I need to surround myself every day with positive energy. I need to surround myself every day with positive energy. What are the positive energy? The information that I align to my mind and the focus that I have. The focus that I have. The information that I have and the focus that I have. Now you know what? You cannot make progress in your life without making serious attempt to succeed. You cannot make progress with your life without making serious attempt to make progress in your life. What are the attempts that you need to make? What are the steps that you're making on a daily basis? One of the things that we allow into our mind is that, you know what, there are some people who tell us that we should not dream big, that it should be realistic. This thing is not achievable in Nigeria. This thing is not achievable in town. A lot of people have tried it and they have failed. This thing is not realistic. Be realistic. I don't want to be realistic. Don't be realistic, my friend. Don't be realistic. Don't be realistic. Be positive. Don't be realistic. Be what? Be positive. Don't be realistic. Be positive. Because you know what? Successful people are not realistic people. Successful people are only positive people. What others say are impossible and what successful people go and try, they are never realistic. Now, for you to achieve your dreams and your goal, you must not be realistic. You must be positive. You must set out unrealistic goal. A lot of people say, no, set out a small goal, set out measurable goal, set out achievable goal, set out a realistic goal, set out timely goal. No, that's not the way to go about it. Set out unrealistic goal, my friend. Don't be average in the goals that you set. Don't be average. You know what? When you say, oh, because if you set unrealistic goal and you don't achieve it, you'll be disappointed. It depends on the paradigm that you have. I set unrealistic goal, and most of the time I don't even achieve those unrealistic goals. Do you know why? Because when you set a goal, when you set a small goal, you're not likely to achieve that small goal. When you set a big goal, you're not likely to achieve that same big goal. So you know what? Why not let me set bigger goal, bigger objective, bigger goal in my life? Because you know what? After all, I'm not really going to achieve that bigger goal. But I also do not want to achieve a small goal. I want to be able to achieve a goal that I would like myself for. And that is what this is all about. So stop setting realistic goal, start going for big goal. Because you know what? When people set realistic goal, they become average. You get to that level of mediocrity. You get to that level where people begin to accept you for what you are not achieving, for your failures. You get to that level where you even embrace failure as an achievement. But what you need in your life is that you need a high level energy in your life. You need to be able to stretch yourself beyond yourself. You need to be able to stretch yourself beyond a particular level, and that is where to achieve success. That is how to be able to achieve real success in your life. And that is what this was all about. I know you've been enjoying the episode. I want you to send me a mail right now of how this program has been helping you, and how we have been able to use this program to succeed with your own life. Send me an email, or you post some of your comments on the space below. Below this channel. I'd like to hear from you. I'd like to see you grow. I'd like to see some of the testimonies that you have had connecting with us on this platform. This is Truly Talk, and the episode of this program has been sponsored by Amping TV. Till I come your way again next time, I want you to live positive, say positive, dream positive, do positive, and win in life. That is how to go about it. You will succeed. Till I come your way again next time, don't forget, every week, every Friday, we are live 4 p.m. And it's also a calling program where you can call and get some of the answers. You can comment, you can share your thoughts with us on the platform. Every Friday at 4 p.m. Don't miss it for anything. Till I come away again next time, stay rich and free. Adios. God bless you.